All right, are we staying on here? Are we switching?
What are you up to, Autumn? What do you want?
I'm just doing some stuff on my phone, but I can play.
Do you want to?
Mm, I'm not particular either.
I heard I'm not particularly. I didn't get more than that.
I'm not leaning either way.
Oh, okay.
Are you guys having fun with your game?
Uh, I am. You
And
agreed, and we're continuing forward.
okay.